Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I'll be deep conditioning my hair with this avocado. I already blend it, so that's why it is in the paste. So I'll be showing you how I'll be applying it to my hair. First thing first, I already separate my hair into four sections. As you can see, I already separate it into four sections. So I'm just going to show you how you can just apply it to your hair. And make sure I'm taking the tip of my hair as well. Can you all see? So then make sure I'm getting the front of my hair as well, my hairline. Then I continue the process. Then I'm going to just massage my scalp all through. Then I'll put it in one strand of twist. This other side, can you see? So now, before I wash it off, I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes. And before that, I'm going to cover my hair with this 30 minutes or 1 hour or so. You can just go ahead, just wash it off with either conditioner or shampoo or whatsoever you have to wash it off. And the avocado I used 2 avocado. You can either use 1 avocado or 2 avocado. And you can also preserve your avocado if you have a remains. You keep it in the refrigerator like 1 or 2 weeks, can sustain you. So that's just it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching today's video.